it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet. Today is Tuesday after Easter. And I just wanted to get on real quick and tell you I went to another Hobby Lobby. We were going out to dinner over the weekend, and I thought there's this little Hobby Lobby right by where we're going to go eat. And I thought, well, you know what? I wonder if they have any clearance yarn left. And if they don't, that's okay. I mean, it's been like a month, but what will they have in, if they don't have any yarn left, maybe they've replaced it. And what's there? So I went in, and I'm going to tell you, I've been dying to tell you this. They got rid of so many really wonderful yarns that they're probably not going to carry anymore, that I couldn't believe that they're not going to carry. And you know what they had? That loopy stuff that you hand crochet with, with the big loops. Why would they carry that? Why would they get rid of all their sugar wheel cotton solids and carry that loopy stuff that nobody buys? I mean, I don't know anybody that buys that. I'm so totally shocked. I'm like, what are you doing, Hobby Lobby? That's craziness. The sugar wheel cottons are awesome. They did have some fur on sale, clearance. So there were just a couple of things that were still there that were on clearance. They had still a lot of empty shelves. Empty space, but they really had it's a smaller store, and they had one hole around. So I was kind of shocked at some of the things that they had versus some of the things that they got rid of. The ice cream yarn, they've cleared out colors of that before. But they cleared out all of it. From what I understand, they're not going to carry any yarns that aren't their own any longer. But they had that loopy stuff in there. What is going on here? But the woman at the cash register said that probably there's more, not more that they're getting rid of, maybe stuff that they're still clearancing out, but mostly, they're still rearranging, she thinks, and that they haven't gotten everything the way it's going to be. I don't know. But I did find a hand tag that I had to have because look at, I guess you can see it better here. This is a knitted blanket. I love that stitch. I know how to do that. I don't know what it's called. Beginner level knit. It's all knit. Every row on here just says knit, and they're making it with a bulky yarn. Just knit. That's the whole thing. They just change colors. I love that. Just the knit itself. They have a crochet pattern too, which is really nice. Let me see if there's a bigger picture. I don't at all like the colors that they use together, but I don't like that mustard orange or mustard yellow. Mustardy yellow is not my favorite. And it looks brighter there in my picture than what it is in reality. But I grabbed the hang tag because when I finish my knit blanket that I'm making a knit blanket or a sweater or something out of that stitch. That is just knit. I like it. What else did I get when I was there? I did get a cup. There was, you guys, I was shocked. Totally shocked. Oh, and off on a tangent. I know my picture is kind of dark. I got the windows. It's a beautiful day out. It's sunny, and I'm not closing the blinds. Sorry. I gotta let the sun shine in when it's here because it doesn't happen often. So you'll have to just make do. I was so shocked that they had, because I had not seen any of the sugar wheel acrylic on clearance. And they had 4 skeins of 2 different colors that I think I could maybe even put these colors together if I needed to. I love this yarn. It's so soft. You know, it's like I love this yarn. It's soft like that. I don't know if it's the same, you know, but just caked in stripes or whatever. I don't know. But I did get 2 of these, regular $8 for $2. Which I think is like more discounted than what they were. I thought they were $2.49 before. But anyway, I'm not complaining for sure. It is a 4-weight. This color, I'm not going to go into all the details. You guys know what sugar wheel cotton or sugar wheel is. It's acrylic, 355 yards. I'm looking for from the garden is this color, and it's like gold, like that goldish mustard color that I really don't like so much. But that's one of Chloe's favorite colors. And then it goes to a light blue, dark blue, pink, and like an army green. So I really like that. They had 2 skeins, so that's 700 yards. I mean, you could make a shawl for sure. And then they had 2 skeins of this one, which is called Mahogany Bliss. And it's got, yeah, now I can see what you see. So it's brown, navy, like a copper color. These are different colors, almost like fading, looks like. They're like a, maybe a seafoamish kind of green, light and dark. They really are 2 different colors. And then it goes to a, back to the dark brown in the middle. Whoa, I'm dropping something. So I did, there it goes again. So I did get 2 of those as well. I like them a lot, and they have the same centers. So Crystal would be thrilled, and these have the same centers too. You just can't tell because they have the gold is in the center of both of these as well. Crystal from Bag O' Day would be so thrilled that they have matching centers. And then I picked up some fabric just because it was on sale really cheap. It was like in the clearance where the yarn was in the, like, not clearance on the shelf. These were clearance on the clearance wall. They did have like notions and stuff. No, that was all pretty much gone, I guess. But I got, look at this. Isn't it cute with the little whales on it? It was 79 cents. And this is a flannel, but I could still put it in the inside of a bag. I just bought them because they were, that I thought was cute for the inside of a bag. And this one is plain. And I thought it might, I don't, if it fits, it might fit inside the bag I just finished. I know it's flannel. And it's 44 inches by 12 inches. So I was thinking I might be able to put this in the Luck of the Draw bag I just finished. I paid 70 cents for it, but it's like so neutral that if it does show through a little bit here and there, it won't, you know, it'll blend in with the yellows that I had, that I made the bag out of. So I feel like I have an eyelash in my eye. So anyway, I just wanted to share that little teeny tiny, I can't believe I found more on clearance, and it's sugar wheel cotton, or just sugar wheel acrylic. I did not get any of these before, so I feel so privileged and so shocked that they were there. I'm like, why do they have that still? It's been like a month. So that was my lucky day. And I just want to thank you all for watching. This is just quick. I got home from work. I didn't actually. I went straight to the store after work, and I just finished putting away the groceries and changing my clothes, and I'm like, I gotta do this video really fast. Roy just got home. Oh, I went to my Mark's store, you know, that discount store. I'm gonna tell you this real quick. I know. She said she was gonna go, and then she keeps rambling on. But I found this thing, Roy Feeds the Birds. I think you guys all know that. If you've been around a while, I'm sure you know that. And we have a bunch of bird feeders in the yard, and we take bird feeders to the campground. He's got suet cakes, and, you know, we go to the feed store and buy big bags of birdseed, and we started buying cracked corn because the deer eat the corn, because the deer come and eat the birdseed. And so we thought, well, if we give them cracked corn, they'll probably eat the corn. They like the birdseed better, I think. But they do eat the corn as well. And the squirrels and all the other little critters. But the idea was to try to keep them out of the birdseed. Because they eat a lot of birdseed, them little critters. Deer, I mean, they're a big critter. They will consume a great deal. And cracked corn is way cheaper than birdseed. So, anyway, that's off on another tangent. When I was at my Mark store last time, I bought him a new bird feeder that he totally loves, and the birds love it as well. But then today, I bought this little thing. It's already outside. Maybe I'll take a picture and put it in at the end of the video. It's painted to be cute and look like an owl or some kind of bird, or I don't know what, bluebird, some kind of bluebird. But it's a big circle, and you put a piece of fruit. There's a thing that you stab through the wooden circle. You stab the piece of fruit with a skewer like thing, stab it through, and then the birds can eat the fresh fruit. It just hangs like a regular bird feeder, and it even has a little perch on there for them to sit and eat. I'm like, that is so cute. It was like $4. So I bought it, and Roy is thrilled with it. So maybe I will get a little picture. I don't know if the birds are on it because he was putting it up. When I thought I'm going to run in really quick, I have eggs boiling for my salad because I like eggs in my salad. So I have that on the stove, my egg cooker thingy. And he was doing that. And I thought I'm going to get this video out of the way really quick so I can put this yarn up. I have no idea what I'm going to make with it. I don't care because it's that soft, squishy sugar oil acrylic. That's just, as my friend Nancy would say, yummy. It's just yummy yarn, and I like it. And watch out soon. Soon is my Hobie collaboration and my new projects. I can't wait to show you. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.